Zip tie life hacks. Top 14 tricks with cable ties for home and garden. You know that little plastic strip that usually ends up in a junk drawer or tangled in a box of cords? I'm talking about zip ties. You probably associate them with cable management and not much else. But here's the thing. Once you realize how many problems these small pieces of plastic can solve, you'll never look at them the same way again. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, fixing something in the bathroom, or saving your tomato plants from collapsing in the garden, zip ties are the quick fix you didn't know you needed. So grab your stash, because today we're diving into some zip tie hacks for your home and garden that are practical, creative, and honestly kind of brilliant. Number 1, fix a broken toilet flapper chain. If you've ever tried to flush the toilet and realized the handle isn't doing anything, chances are the flapper chain broke, and that means your toilet won't refill. Good news? A zip tie can save the day. Just loop one through the hole on the flapper and attach it to the handle lever. Cut it to size, and boom, your toilet is working again. No plumber required. No trip to the hardware store. This is the kind of emergency hack you'll thank yourself for remembering. Number 2, fix a broken zipper pull. Zippers always seem to break at the worst possible time, just as you're heading out the door. But instead of tossing the whole jacket or bag, grab a zip tie, thread it through the zipper slider where the pull tab used to be, tighten it, and snip off the excess. It works like a charm and gives you something to grip until you can replace it properly or not. Some people just leave the zip ties because they work that well. Number 3, organize your keys. Raise your hand if you've got random spare keys floating around your drawers. You're not alone. Keep them all together by threading a small zip tie through the keyholes and tightening it like a small key ring. It's especially great for storing backups or keeping sets organized by room, use, or person. Plus, it's cheaper than buying more keychains. Number 4, hang a shower curtain. Ever lost a few of those plastic shower curtain rings? Perhaps they broke, and you just left the curtains sagging for way too long. Zip ties to the rescue again. Thread them through the grommets of your shower curtain and loop them over the rod. Not only are they rust-proof and stronger than the original rings, but they also hold everything in place without popping off. Bonus, they're especially useful for temporary setups in RVs, basements, or rental units. Number 5, make DIY tassel bookmarks. This one's actually kind of fun. Grab a zip tie, loop some embroidery thread through the locking end, secure it, and trim the tail flat. Now you've got yourself a minimalist bookmark with a cute little tassel. No beads, no glue, no stress. It's perfect for gifting, journaling, or keeping your place in that book you swore you'd finish last year. Number 6, lock your luggage. Traveling soon? Toss a few zip ties in your suitcase. They make excellent temporary luggage locks. If someone tampers with your bag, the zip tie will be visibly cut, so you'll know. And because they're TSA friendly, you won't have to deal with broken locks at the airport. Just keep a small pair of scissors or nail clippers in your carry-on to remove them later. Number 7, hang garlands. Decorating for the holidays, a party, or just because you feel like it. Zip ties make hanging garlands an absolute breeze. Loop them around stair railings, porch posts, curtain rods, or fences to hold up greenery, lights, or bunting. They're strong enough to keep everything in place, but discreet enough not to steal the spotlight from your decor. And when you're done, just snip them off. Clean, easy, and no need to punch holes in anything. Number 8, make balloon clusters. If you're planning a birthday, baby shower, or backyard bash, forget tangled strings and awkward taping. Use zip ties to cluster balloons together like a pro. Just group the balloon necks and fasten them with a zip tie, then attach that cluster to a chair, arch, or centerpiece. It gives your balloon decorations a full, polished look without having to spend a ton of time or money on complicated supplies. Number 9, support growing plants. Let's head outside to the garden for a second. Tomatoes, roses, cucumbers, any tall or vining plant needs support. And zip ties? They're perfect for gently securing stems to stakes, cages, or trellises. Just make sure you leave a little room for growth. Don't choke the plant. A loose loop is all you need. It's a small thing that can prevent a big mess later, like snapped stems or sagging branches. Number 10. Repair a garden hose temporarily. Garden hose sprung a leak near the nozzle? Don't panic. Wrap a small piece of rubber around the leak and secure it tightly with a few zip ties. It won't last forever, but it'll definitely get you through the weekend, or until you replace the hose. And, in the meantime, it'll save your lawn from drying out. Number 11. Secure a tarp or cover. Zip ties are fantastic for anchoring tarps over just about anything. Firewood stacks, patio furniture, compost bins, you name it. Loop them through the grommets and fasten them to fence posts, cinder blocks, or even tree branches. It holds everything tight and keeps the wind from flapping your tarp like it's trying to fly away. Number 12. Organize small tools. You don't need a fancy garage system to keep your tools upright and out of the way. Just install a couple of wall-mounted hooks or brackets and use zip ties to strap your small garden tool handles to them. It keeps everything neat, off the ground, and easy to grab when you need it. Number 13. Close off gaps in fencing. If you've got pets who love to squeeze through the tiniest gaps, or wildlife turning your garden into a buffet, zip ties can help fix your fence. Just attach extra mesh, chicken wire, or even old screen material to the existing fence using zip ties. It's quick, secure, and way cheaper than replacing an entire panel. And yes, it works just as well for balcony railings if you've got a little dog with a big sense of adventure. Number 14. Secure a bouquet. Whether you're prepping flowers for a wedding or just picked up some fresh blooms at the market, zip ties are a great way to keep your bouquet together. Wrap the stems tightly and secure them with a small zip tie before covering with ribbon or paper. It keeps everything in place and makes your arrangement look clean and professional without the florist price tag. And there you go. Some truly clever ways zip ties can make your life easier, tidier, and more organized. It's kind of wild how something so small and simple can be this versatile, right? Next time you're at the hardware store, grab a pack or two. Throw some in your junk drawer, your glove box, your gardening shed, even your luggage. Because when things go sideways, or just need a little tightening up, you'll be glad they're around. And hey, if you've discovered a zip tie trick that saved your sanity, share it in the comments. Your tip might be the one someone else never knew they needed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more clever tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a hack that could make your life way easier. Thanks for watching.